wonderful people, welcome back once again to my channel. So if you're new on this channel, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So today's makeup tutorial is the trending Foxy eye makeup look. I just want to give it a try and see how it will turn out for me. And as you all know, I have a hooded lid, but just get right into the look. And what I'll be needing today is a sticky tape. Because of this eye look, I will use concealer as my base today. So actually, I didn't know the reason why I added another concealer on the eyelid. What I really needed was only one. A palette that I will also be using is from Makeup Revolution. So I used that to set all my concealer. What I'm doing here is very optional. I took a brown eyeshadow from the palette and I wanted to just give my eyes some depth. So you can skip that process when you are doing that. But as you all know, I have hooded lids, so I always want to give my eyes dimension. That's the more reason why I do all those kind of things. And I started below my eyelid with a brown shadow from the same palette. And afterwards, I went in with a black eyeliner to define the wing liner more. I forgot to show you guys on the camera. If you are wondering what I did, that's what I did. It's very difficult to blend. I use a eyeliner, but if you are doing it, I would advise you use black eyeshadow so that it will be very easy for you to blend. Kept on blending and blending and blending to my satisfaction. So what you have to do is when you are doing it, you have to stay focused on the wing because that is what will bring out the eyes and make it more beautiful. And you have to know when to stop. So I will put my lashes on and then do this. I'm done with the eyes. I put the lashes also on off camera. What I'm about to do is to do my foundation routine with you guys. My drugstore favorite. So afterwards, I just went in with my foundation, like I said, and I tried to blend it into my skin. And then, as you all know, my favorite concealer of all time, I use L'Oreal Infallible Concealer underneath my eyes, and I try to give my ring liner a sharp edge, as you see me doing it. I try to take my time when blending my concealer into my skin. It's very hard for me to blend my concealer at the inner corner when my eyes are already done. So I was having a very difficult time in blending the concealer.
I think it all